I need to make another spin, yeah, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's jack this up, 480. Let's sit there for a minute. Over here, guys, sorry about that. Okay, let's see if we can get some solder on this. I don't know if these are going to do it or not. Really smoke. It looks like it might be doing something. Not all the way, but it did give me something. Let's see what happens. Yeah, works what it wants to, apparently. I'm looking at this. I'm wearing a pair of Dollar Store cheaters. And for this, maybe not much better than my glasses. But there's a place here in Brantford. Well, the other place I go to is also here in Brantford. But I was told that they do laser surgery as well as everything else this other place does. And they have a retina specialist. And so basically it's the same type of operation. However, a lot of these specialists travel. You know, for instance, to say, well, yeah, okay, well, he's in here on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Well, where is he when he's not here? You follow me? Well, if the place has 4 or 5 different locations, he may be here on a Monday, there on a Tuesday, here on a Wednesday, whatever. Or he may be going to other places. For instance, the one that's over here at the eye care, is he the same one that's at the laser place over here? You know, because he's over there like 2 days a week at the eye care place. So what's he do the rest of the week? Is he maybe renting himself out? You follow me? Because they do that nowadays. They don't just stay in one place. So I want to get the name of this guy over here to see if it's the same as the guy over there. Because the guy over there I don't care for. I haven't met him yet. I don't even like him already. Alright, now I need a red and black wire. Now, I thought I had one here. What's this one? No, that's got a clip on it, so that's not going to work. What about this one? This one has a ring on it, so this will be good for that. And this will be good for this. Again, these are too heavy. They really are. I hate to waste heavy wire. I mean, this is a popular size for me. Alright, so what I want to do is, these are not going to fit this way, so I'm going to have to put here, and then trunk it to here, and then trunk it up to there. Go beach, go beach, go beach, go beach, go beach. Let me turn you off for a second. Okay, I found a good gauge that I can use. I'm just going to have to do it like brown will be black and yellow will be red. Now this is something that's just going to be there, so it's not like it's wires that I'm... Oh, wait a minute, what else do we have in here? Oh, we have a black and an orange. Whoa, wait a minute, we're getting better here. Yeah, so black and orange is going to be the ticket. Yeah, that's the ticket, guys. Now, it does have a plug on it. So, it looks like that might be a computer power supply. Anyway, I'm going to cut that off because I want to save that plug in case I need it for something. I didn't even know this was in there. Okay, so let's take the black and the orange. I'm going to do this and this. If I go there to there, I want a little slack right there, so we'll take off a little bit right here, just so I can wrap the wire around it. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Come on. Come on. There you go. I may not have cut in on this one enough. Okay, the black, to the black. Now we're going to do this one this way. And then I'll put heat shrink over it. And then with this one, we're going to go, can't go that way, so we're going to have to go this way. Actually, you know what, I might be able to. Let's, hold on a minute. Brush in here first. Yeah. Better go a little heavier. Yeah. A little heavier. Okay. There we go. Got it. Okay. Now, this one can go on when I'm done. Let's get this one wrapped around here a few times. And hopefully the solder will work. Solder iron, that is. A little flux there, and a little flux here. Here a flux, there a flux. Everywhere a little flux. Huh, what do you think? Oh, I think that's not going to happen. No, it might. Okay, let's see. Let's see here. Come on. I know I put you back on. Alright, let's do this one first. It's right here. We're 480. And that's Celsius. What is that Fahrenheit? Oh, 800 something maybe? Come on. Now the solder's sticking. What a piece of shit. It really is. I keep trying it, thinking it's going to be okay. But it doesn't even want to melt the solder now. Now, let's get this one soldered up, or try to anyway. This one actually has a little bit more of a chance, even though it doesn't, if that makes any sense to you. When I was having my stress test done, I think I told you guys there's a website out there, so you can actually, oh, Ken Parker, that you can go to and see if your doctors are collecting any money from the pharmaceuticals. You know, here and there a couple bucks is one thing, but if you see them doing a lot, like I've seen a couple of doctors, they're not mine.